Hello students. Read the dialogue given below. Discuss the problem stated and its solution. Our teacher is talking us to see a fort. It will be a lot of fun. But let us not include Savita and Samir in our group. Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing pranks. So what? Savita sings well. Samir tells jokes. Let us talk to them. They will understand. Let's not leave them out. That's true. I didn't think of that. Let us prepare for the trip together. Yes, Gayatri is right. Let us learn new songs from Savita and jokes from Samir. If you observe these dialogues, if you read them carefully, you will understand that some may have one opinion and some students have different opinion. When they discuss each other, they come to the agreement. See the topic, tolerance. We all have some faults. Faults means what? Our drawbacks, weakness. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. My opinion may be different and your opinion may be different. Sometimes there are disagreements between the friends. At such times, we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. Here, what is meant by tolerance? Tolerance means ability to tolerate. Efficiency. What's the meaning of efficiency? Quality of being efficient. On such occasions, we must listen to the other person. In this way, we learn to be tolerant. Respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad-mindedness. What's the meaning of broad-mindedness? Tolerant and liberal. These two words convey almost same meaning. Tolerance has a special significance in our country. People from various religions, creeds, cultures and the following different customs live here. That's why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant and broad-minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. We solve problems in our environment by being broad-minded. That means if you see this paragraph, tolerance has a special significance. Significance means what? Importance in our country. India is a country of many religions, caste, creed, cultures, etc. But we all live together. We share recipes, we celebrate each other's festivals, we greet each other, we congratulate each other. Tolerance has a special importance in our country. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. That is what we say, unity in diversity.